Assalamu alaikum. This tutorial will show you how to reuse material and post it immediately. Now, suppose we have already created assignments and announcement for the next week starting from 15th June. I'll go to a class 6A. Now, it's very important for us to remember to use the first section, that is A, of every level. Like for example, if you're using class 7 material, it should be saved in A section. So first of all, we're going to reuse the announcement. I'm going to reuse the template that was saved there. I'm going to change the details here. It's a science session that will be held on 15th June. At 11 a.m. sharp. Then again science. They must attendance must be marked before 11:30 a.m. on the day of your session. Now before I save it, I'm just going to select all the classes because the same announcement will be posted in all 4 sections. So I'm just going to select 6B, 6C, 6D and 6E, and then I'm just going to save it. Now today is Friday night. I'm going to post it tomorrow in all the classes. So I'm just going to wake up in the morning and I'm just going to post it at 9 a.m. immediately. I'll tell you how to do that tomorrow, like in a while. Then I'm going to go to classwork. I need to save the assignment that has already been created in the resource room. So let's suppose if it's the circulatory system, science resource room, circulatory system. Now please make sure you check this box. This will create it will actually make copies of all the attachments which are in this particular assignment to that local classroom drive. It is very, very important when you do that. Please make sure to check here. Reuse it. And then if you want to make any changes were supposed to be done in the resource room. And since I'm using an old assignment, so that is why I have to make these changes. So it doesn't matter, changes would have been made. So details will be accordingly. You just double check everything in case if there is anything needs to be changed here. If you want to make a copy for students, then please click over here, double check it. If you want, if it's the only view only file, then please click on view only file. This is a view only file, so I'll just leave it like that. I'll change the due date. That will be 15th June, 10 p.m. I'll change the topic, that is science. Okay. And I'm going to select all the classes since the same assignment will be posted in all 5 sections of class 6, B, C, D and E, right? Then I'm just going to save it. That's it. The third thing is the attendance. I'm going to reuse the post from the mark your attendance. This is the template that I'm going to reuse. just going to change the subject details. Fifteenth June 2020, and then I'm going to paste my Zoom link here. Now, since I'm taking only 6A, B, and C, I'm just going to paste my Zoom link here. This is my science session. Six A, B, and C. And then I'm just going to select these 3 sections because this Zoom link will only go in 3 sections. Six B and C, since I'm already creating it in 6A, so it will automatically save in 6A, B, and C, 3 classes. Right? The due date will be 15th June, 11:30 a.m. I'm going to change the topic if I have to, attendance and Zoom link, and I'm going to save it. Now, since it depends upon the campus to campus, if you are using only one link for all sections, if there's only one live session, then you have to do the step only once. But since I have in OLS, we have more than one section, 2 sessions, live sessions simultaneously going on. So I'm going to repeat the same process for class 6D with another Zoom link. So only attendance part will, if you have 2 or more live sessions for the same class at the same time, then you're going to create the same mark your attendance post again, and then you're going to give that teacher's Zoom link and then save it in class 6D and 6E. So only Zoom link will change and the rest of the things will remain the same. Now, on the day, 2 days before the live session, I'm just going to go to my class 6A. If I'm a responsible person to announce, to make the announcement, I'm just going to go. This is the draft that I saved. I'm just going to click on it. And since everything is done, it's 9 a.m. Saturday morning, I'm just going to post it. So it will be posted immediately in all 5 sections. I'm not going to post it because it will actually go live. So I'm not going to post it. Then on Monday, second step will be the responsibility of the person taking the live session. The teacher will go to classwork, click on the draft, and click on edit before the live session, 15 minutes before the live session begins, you must ask this question here. That's it. This is what you need to do. And it will be posted in 3 sections, class 6A, B, and C immediately. Then only students will start joining in after 15 minutes at the right time. So once you've done that, another teacher who's simultaneously taking another live session for 6D and E will post it on her forum as well. So it will be done very easily, no scheduling required. Now, once you are over with your live session, within 15 to 20 minutes, your assignment should be posted. So if I'm just done with my live session, I'm just going to go to this assignment. Just going to click on edit. And since I've already saved everything, I've saved the classes as well. I've saved the due date, the topic, and the settings are all done. Then I'm just going to assign it. So it will be assigned immediately to all the classes. So this makes everybody's life very easy, but the timings should be very, very important. Announcements should be saved posted at least 2 days prior to the live session. attendance 15 minutes before the live session with correct Zoom link, and assignment after the live session ends, at least within half an hour. Right? Thank you so much.